everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another 2-page layout today. So I am going to start out with that plaid paper from Doodlebug. It's the Flea Market Prairie Plaid paper, and I just cut the 12 by 12 in half. You've seen me do this quite often. Because the plaids don't match from side to side, I'm trying to get it to something that's a little bit closer. I've talked about this before. I do store in 12 by 12 binders, 3-ring binders, so I don't have to have it match exactly. There's going to be a gutter in between the 2 pages. So then I'll mount that on that polka dot paper, which is Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Bumblebee Dot Stripe. And these are some photos of my grandson. He went on a hike with Grandpa there in that picture that I'm actually gluing down right now. And this is the youngest. This is M number 4. So I thought it would be really sweet. So I didn't go on this hike, so I don't really have a lot to say about it. So really for me, it's just about getting the photos down, you know, naming who he was with, and then the date. I guess, thinking about this, I don't usually put the kids' names on stuff unless I talk to them specifically. But I think with dates, at least you could figure that out if you needed to, who was who. Especially with the last 2, because their age ranges are pretty big compared to the, actually, between them and M number 2, there's a pretty big date range, and also between M1 and M2, so a little easier to figure out who's who. Anyway, I just added on the top left that die cut banner from Simple Stories Hello Fall. It's the bits and pieces, and then that card that's there that says Autumn is the Season 4. I don't know where that came from. It was just, I have a collection of autumn stuff that I just put in a folder, and it was just there. I know I think that it might be from Ellie's studio, but I'm not positive about that. The reason I say that, there is no backing on the back, which means it's not a cut apart. And all like my Echo Park and that kind of stuff is all cut apart. So I think it might be, but if it is, you can't get it anyway. So I'm adding some stickers in here. And first of all, I started with these puffy acorns. They're from Hobby Lobby, the fall paper crafts line. And they're puffy Happy Thanksgiving stickers. Again, old, you can't get them anymore, but that's where those are coming from. And then I added in that tree sticker there, and that to the Autumn Is card on the bottom right. That came from the Doodlebug Icons from Pumpkin Spice, which was a fall collection. Again, old. So I'm playing around a little bit here with some extra stickers. So I found a leaf there from that Pumpkin Spice sheet. Again, dead giveaway that it's Doodlebug is that it has faces on it, because they tend to have faces. The Doodlebug stickers tend to have faces. So I really like that I was able to get this tree sticker on here, just because it is a hike, and I think that's kind of a fun way to show that. Just adding that in, getting that down. All right, there we go. All right, and then adding in with this other acorn sticker that I'm thinking about using, I'm adding in some more leaves. There's the pumpkin spice sheet, so you can see that. And just working with the colors in the plaid. And they're going to match exactly because they're both Doodlebugs, so getting in some oranges and some greens there. That's what's kind of available to me. I think there is a yellowy leaf there as well too, but I'm liking that I'm getting those down. And just playing a little bit here with the placement. And playing here with the placement. This is actually a pretty simple layout. It's really mostly about the photos, which, in my case, it should be about the photos or the words, depending on whether I was there or not. But I think that's cute. I am thinking about trying to use this cloud here, but to bring in the blue from the background, but it really stuck out, and it didn't work all that well. It had I know it just stuck out too much, and I didn't want to put anything more up in the top left cluster, which meant the blue would have really been sticking out because there was no, there would be no blue at the top left and only at the bottom right. All right, so time to get the rest of the title on there, because autumn, I have this video labeled autumn, but the actual title is Autumn is the Season for Hiking of the of this layout. And I'm kind of playing around with this, and I forgot this, that I was thinking about doing autumn as a season for exploring, because, or to explore, but that's not going to fit there. So I decided to do hiking instead. And they are hiking in one of Grandpa's favorite spots to hike with all the kids, actually. He's taken all of the kids there at different times, frequently. It's nice and close to their house, so that's lovely. So that is the Puffy Alpha from Doodlebug. It's the Alphabet Soup Puffy stickers in Tangerine. In case you're wondering, my new favorite Alpha sticker. I'm just adding in an asterisk and a heart to the trees there, just to give it a little something extra. And on the top left, I added in an asterisk there to bring in the just to bring in the puffy stickers in something other than just the bottom. So I brought that color up to the top. So that's really what I'm trying to do here. So I got that all done and then I'm just going to take my Creative Memories brown pen and just, put a little line in about, how much Grandpa likes to, or how much he likes to hike with Grandpa. Actually, how much he likes to do anything with Grandpa. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.